There's some turkey tracks. My new bird at the feeder, fully grown turkey. I was sitting on the gate here, and I didn't get my camera quick enough to get him there, and he was inside the gate. He flew off across the field over there. He went quite a long way flying. And he must have come from around here, because the track's coming this way. So I guess he came up. Still see his tracks. Rubbing them out. That's weird. Oh, there they are again. See one there. I guess he must have come through over here somewhere. See it. Nothing else here. So he must have come from here somewhere. So there may be across there, but that's old. And that's a rabbit. Unless he was roosting in this tree here. It's possible. Oh well. I think there's in the bush over, in the way over in the background, there's lots of turkeys. They'll be on the farm over there. Anyway, that was something different. Turkey at the feeder. There's his tracks there. And there, he's coming and going, so he's been along, backwards and forwards along my trail here, path. There's a good one. And he came this way. And he walked in this way. Uh-huh. He walked in. Okay. Came up the garden that way, maybe. Hard to tell. There's a trail down through that tree there. So there's no more tracks here. So I guess that's the way he came in. He must have come in up from the bottom of the garden. And he flew out to the middle of the field. And I guess he didn't stay in the middle of the field too long. That's all for now. Hopefully he'll come back and I'll get a better picture of him. Unusual visitor to the bird feeder.